Hi, I'm Ophelia. Today, I'll be presenting how user stories, BPMN, business rules, governance, risk, and continuous improvement all connect to drive business excellence. This video was prepared by Jamie Crew. Business analysis isn't just about gathering requirements. It's about shaping how value flows through people, processes, and technology. In this session, we'll explore how user stories, BPMN charts, business rules, governance, and continuous improvement all connect to create true business excellence. A user story starts simple. It captures a single need from the user's point of view. It keeps the focus on value, not technical details. For example, as a customer, I want to reset my password easily so I can access my account quickly. It's short, but it tells a complete story. Who, what, and why. Every user story evolves through several stages. It's captured, validated, refined, prioritized, built, and finally tested. The BA ensures that every story is clear, testable, and valuable before it enters development, meeting what we call the definition of ready and definition of done. User stories remind us that technology exists to serve people. Even when users aren't part of the development cycle, their stories bring their perspective into every sprint. They help the team avoid assumptions and build with purpose. Before a story becomes a deliverable, the BA maps the current process, the ASIS. This reveals inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and system gaps. Then we design the to-be, a future state process that's simpler, smarter, and more aligned with the business goals. Flowcharts or BPMN diagrams turn invisible work into visible systems. They show roles, actions, decisions, and outcomes across departments and tools. This visual clarity helps everyone, from users to developers, understand where each story fits into the bigger picture. Validation happens through workshops, walkthroughs, and feedback loops. The BA confirms that the ASIS model is accurate, and that the to-be design is realistic and valuable. Governance and user testing play key roles here, ensuring what's designed on paper works in real life. The to-be process isn't just a redesign, it's a reimagination. The BA removes redundancies, adds automation where it saves time, integrates systems to reduce handoffs, and aligns everything to business goals. Every to-be process should deliver measurable improvement. Business rules are the guardrails of a process. They define what can and can't happen. They come from laws, policies, or internal standards. In user stories, they become acceptance criteria. In BPMN, they appear as decision gateways. They keep operations consistent and compliant. Governance defines who decides, who approves, and who's responsible. It ensures that every story and process change aligns with the organization's strategy. The BA doesn't just facilitate work, they ensure it fits within approved boundaries and delivers real business value. Every process has risks in data, timing, or decisions. A good BA identifies where those risks occur, designs safeguards in the to-be model, and prioritizes high-risk stories for early delivery. Risk management ensures stability while enabling progress. Once the process or feature goes live, the work isn't over. Continuous improvement means monitoring key metrics, like efficiency, user satisfaction, and error rates, and using that data to create new improvement stories. It's the feedback loop that keeps excellence alive. When we combine user stories, BPMN, business rules, governance, risk management, and improvement, we create a complete framework for transformation. Each piece has a unique role, but together they ensure delivery that's clear, compliant, and continuously evolving. Excellence doesn't come from documentation. It comes from alignment. When clarity, governance, and risk control meet a culture of improvement, organizations achieve sustainable success. That's the true power of structured analysis and agile thinking combined. The role of the BA is evolving, from recorder to orchestrator, from translator to strategist. Our purpose is to connect people, process, and progress. So ask yourself, where in your organization could clarity, control, or continuous improvement make the biggest difference?